There are few milestones as rewarding as buying a home. But the road to achieve this dream can be complicated due to financing. When financing a home, there are multiple factors that can make the process strenuous.
Financing a home, more than being a tedious process, it is more anxious-driven process. You're going to go and sit in front of a stranger and talk to them about your net worth, your financials, and that makes you feel very uncomfortable, and that is why home financing is not just a tedious process, it is also an anxious-driven process.
So if we want to focus on minorities and talk about the enormous difference between minorities and Anglo-Americans and the declining rate for loan for mortgage, it's astronomical, and it's systematic racism. Because this happens, the minority community begins to think it's not worth it. So really the education that's necessary to teach the community, it changes everything. It becomes more realistic.
So new technology can help ease home financing by putting the borrower at ease. There's a certain level of comfort and privacy that comes with talking to a computer versus a person. And then you know you're going to get an accurate answer. You know you have access to it 24/7, and all of that helps make the home buying process easier.
AI technology is helping to reshape and enhance the home financing process. Financial services such as banking, home finance, and payments as a whole are error-prone. With AI technology, these services can be streamlined with minimal errors, creating a more accessible path to financing.
I think we're all used to online banking, and I think the Federal Reserve is actually on the right path. They're now rolling out what's called CBDC, central bank digital currency, and that is going to create these instantaneous transactions, which is basically built on the same concept of blockchain technology. So when people realize that AI has always been there behind the scenes, the benefits will so outweigh any of the fear.
The most special thing about AI is that it has no feelings. And for some folks, they look at that as a problem. But AI doesn't care if you're white, black, brown. All it cares about is what loans you qualify for. There's a human base behind it that educates the AI so that the AI can educate and help the community grow.
By streamlining the financial markets, AI is creating more jobs and kickstarting a future that is more accessible and fair. SunWest Mortgage Company is leveraging the power of AI with its Angel AI Streamlines. As a multilingual AI assistant, Angel AI takes the stress and surprises out of the lending process and creates equal opportunity for all.
SunWest has been working on AI for almost 40 years now. We started with breaking down this complex loan origination and closing process into smaller pieces. So we applied AI in all phases of the loan origination and closing process. And our partners have started using it since then, and we've seen amazing results being delivered.
I love talking about the features of Angel AI because it's a very simple technology to use, and because all you have to do is talk to it. Talk to it just like you would talk to an underwriter or processor. Anything you would ask your underwriter or processor to do, the technology can do, and it's available 24/7. And that's the greatest feature of Angel AI. It's easy to use.
Well, imagine if we were able to introduce Angel AI to the entire community. It would actually give the community more education and more opportunity. The ones that are afraid to ask because they're afraid of being embarrassed can now go to a computer and say, here's my situation, do I qualify? And have a computer come back and say yes or no. Now imagine if that's taken to the next level and it says no, but this is what you can do to qualify.
SunWest Mortgage is leading the industrial revolution in financial services. Not only creating a fair lending atmosphere, Angel AI is eliminating the wait time for response and giving its lenders and agents time to give their clients the full attention and expertise they deserve.
So when it comes to using Angel AI for agents, this is a really cool feature that we offer. Basically, when it comes to realtors, because Angel AI automates the system, that means that they don't have to do as much work. Most real estate agents can't afford personal assistant. So now we're offering a free AI personal assistant that can do most of the work for them. That in turn puts more money back into their pocket and into the consumer's pocket because they're not having to do the work and automated system is doing it.
SunWest envisions about home financing and AI is to create a equal playing field. Angel AI takes the borrower's data and evaluates the borrower's creditworthiness and is able to issue a token which tells them how much they can afford. This digitized token is going to help you be very competitive in the home buying market by enabling the ability to buy homes without the inequalities that they're currently facing.
It's eventually on our roadmap to expand Angel AI to other markets. And because of the AI foundation, by giving it data, it effectively generates code. So delivering high-speed products to consumers, it simplifies that process.
Enhance home financing with SunWest Mortgage's Angel AI. Visit www.swmc.com.